Good morning. Myself, Dr. Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Last class, we have to see about the basic steps, benefits of organic farming, and then limitations of organic farming in India. Then last one is components of organic farming. Today's class mainly in the organic farming, main purpose is weed management. How to control the weed in our farm in organic manner. First one is weed control method. First one is preventive method. Second one cultural method. Third one mechanical method, then fourth one soil solarization, then fifth one allelopathy. Then weed management, first one preventive methods, weed free crop seeds. It's a completely weed free crop seeds are completed cultivated in our farm. Then wheat free manure, we can use the wheat free manure. Organic manures we have to use it for wheat free manure. Clean harvest and ploughing equipments, we can use clean harvest, then ploughing equipment. Then cultural method, sumatra crop we have to use, then cover crops also used. Rotation, crop rotations means rotating the crop year per year two crops. Suppose monocropping means in the cultivation also reduce, fertility of soil also reduce, and the weeds also increased in the year by year. So crop rotations are best ways to control the weed management. Optimum plant density and line showing. Drip irrigation, mainly irrigated by drip. Line sowing, drip irrigation is otherwise called as line sowing irrigation. It's mainly water is dropped near the root zone, so directly the water resource to reach at the root zone means it will be the crops growth is highly compared to other systems. These are the cultural method to control the weed management. Then mechanical method tillage practices. So many tillage practices are followed in our system: zero tillage, conventional tillage, conservation tillage, etc. These are the tillage practices also control the weed management. And the stale seed bed, some of the seed bed preparations for controlling the pest and disease in initial stage, for example tomato, then brinjal. Then hand weeding, the hand weeding also control uprooting the root weeds and along with the roots. So it hand weeding also control the weeds. Hoeing, then weeding by using some of the small instruments to use the removing the weeds. Then moving using by some of the machines to control the weed method. Mulching, some mulching methods are used to control the weeds. Boning, some crops are highly infected, weeds are grown in our land means we have to collect and burn that weeds means we control the weeds. Soil solarization, heat is produced to kill the weeds. Allelopathy kept, for example marigold cultivated with congress grass. So suppose we cultivate the marigold, automatically allelopathic effect, it means to control the congress grass. So these are the. Then last one, biological control. The biological method, the insects are some of the insects to use to control the weed. For example, Crossiderma incenta buckmouth is used to control lantana camera. Then Cochinilla shake is controlling bilky bear, prickly bear. Then flea beetle and larva is used to control the Alicatora weed. Then Neosetina persis control the water hyacinth. The Mexicana gallfly is controlled by congress weed. So these are the insects are also controlled the some of the lantana camera, prickly fear, Alicatora weed, then water hygiene and congress. Some of the micro herbicide also used to control the weed control method. Product name is D. Vinay. The Phytophthora palmivora, it's controlled the milky weed vine. Then colica is controlled by Collectotrichum closospiridus. It's controlled by joint wedge. And the Pipolaris is controlled by Pipolaris is Sorcicola. It's controlled by Johnson grass. Then Biolopsis is a product name. Then Streptomyces hygrocospis is controlled by gentle vegetation. This is the microherbicides method. Then uh, these are the weed control method we have to follow. First one is preventive methods. In this case, wheat free crop seed, wheat for free manure, clean harvest and plow method. Cultural method. So many cultural mainly crop rotations is important and replication. Mechanical method, tillage is very important. Mulching also very better in the mechanical method. Then soil solarization is also very much important. But weed control. Biological, some of the insects used to control the weeds. Micro herbicides, some of the micro herbs is combined with microorganic content of product to control the weed control method. So these are the weed management systems are followed in our organic farming systems. Thank you. Next class we will see our best management systems.